everyone, Johnny here. Today I'm going to try something new. Yesterday I was on Facebook running around and then I saw a video on how to make flan, and I'm Cuban and I love flan and it's very much a part of my culture. I grew up always eating it. The point is, I went ahead that same night and I bought all the ingredients for the recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to make flan for the very first time. Emphasis on try. I went and bought the flanera mold, condensed milk. I bought two cans because this can seems smaller. I don't know. And I have a can of condensed milk, half a dozen eggs, and some sugar. The harder part I could see from the recipe is gonna be the caramelizing the sugar. Sure that's not gonna go well, but let's go ahead and make a video and see how it goes and see if maybe I can have flan tonight or today. And I go ahead and preheated my oven already. It's preheating, so let's start. So let's go ahead and start with the easier part, which is the eggs. This is how I crack my eggs. The good thing is I don't have to worry about keeping anything intact. But with a little bit of luck, we got this. Okay. So then we whisk this whole thing. So that's that. Now we empty the 1 can of evaporated milk. There we go. One can of evaporated milk. Alright, so this is what we have so far. It looks delicious, yeah. So I added some lemon zest to my mix since I don't have vanilla extract. So hopefully that will give it a little bit of flavor. And I have my sugar over here. And hopefully I don't mess this whole thing up when I try to caramelize it. And I'm already heating up my oven, so I can go ahead and start with the caramelizing process, which is gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me. This is gonna be hard. No idea how to do this. I should probably go watch a video right now. Okay, so I consulted a quick video on how to caramelize sugar. They recommended to use water, so I went ahead and dissolved my sugar in the water, and now I have it medium heat, and I have to wait for the water to go away. Hi puppies. So yeah, so far so good. So I think it's done because it's already turning into candy. I don't want candy, so I went ahead and turned off the heat. Alright, so my kitties, the oven is hot. Hot. Super hot. I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'm going to leave that there for an hour. So now, and now we wait. Alright, so it's been an hour, so let's go ahead and take this out and let's try not to burn ourselves. And hopefully this is good. Turn this oven off and Again, hopefully I don't burn myself. Okay. Let me dump this water. Ow, 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 ow. I guess I have to wait and let it sit for a bit. Okay, so now is the moment, fire. Of course I would. Of course I would drop stuff. Well, it looks like, I don't know what it looks like actually. It looks good, I think. Let's see. It looks like it cooked properly. So now let me go ahead and separate it from the rim. It's not breaking or nothing. So I think I did this. I think I actually might have done this properly. So now, plate, right? Plate, then flip. This is gonna be the hard part, I think. All right. So just flip it, and the reveal. Hopefully this happened properly. Come on. Ow. There we go! Ah, it's breaking. Oh no, it's breaking! I didn't cook properly. It's melting. Damn it, what did I do wrong? Wait. So, I don't know if this makes my video better or worse, the fact that I failed. I do want to try this again. So my mistake was that I didn't let the pan sit and settle and get cold and cool off and gain consistency. So I went ahead and tried it again. So if at first you don't succeed, try again. I went ahead and do the whole process all over again, and I'm gonna try to get this one out, and I'm gonna leave it rest and get it cool off, and then we'll do another reveal, and hopefully it will stay intact. So let's get this baby out of the oven, and let's try again not to burn ourselves. Everything is boiling. And go ahead and dump this water. And double these little patties because that wasn't enough. There we go. Okay. So now I'm gonna wait and let it cool off, and then we'll do the flipping thing. Okay, so I had it on the fridge so it will cool off, and hopefully now it retains everything. Let's go ahead and do the flip reveal again, and hopefully this time it works out. And nervous. Oh, I should have cut it from the sides. Yay! There we go. There was this side over here that didn't work out, but There we go. I don't know why I had this air bubble over here. But aside from the air bubble, there we go. Oh, the air bubble is over here. So I added lemon to the caramel, and I put lemon zest on it because I didn't have vanilla, and it's delicious. Like, it's just delicious. And that's how you make a flan. If I first you succeed, try and try again. And thanks so much for watching. If you know where I live, you can get some flan. Please subscribe for more. And yeah, let me show you. Hey, have it better. See, and it's even, it has the jiggle, the jiggle, the jiggle. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm done. Bye. So yeah, that's it. Now I know how to make flans. All right, so it's been an hour. So let's do this. Porque vea, estoy grabando, no estoy grabando contigo. Coño, en serio. He didn't, I don't know what the word is, but whatever the word is, it didn't happen. But it is delicious, and if somebody knows what just happened, do let me know. The parts that they cook properly look good, and it even have that jiggly consistency. Yep, it tastes good. I guess nailed it. Subscribe.